I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
On Thursday, September 21st, North Canyon's Theater Company 2023 Mainstage musical announcement and audition workshop will be held from 2:20 to 3:15 in the Black Box. Our musical is one of the biggest events on North Canyon's calendar, and the announcement and audition workshop is the first step to being a part of the fun and excitement of this year's show. If you have any questions, please speak to Mr. Bush.
This Friday and Saturday, September 22nd and 23rd, North Canyon Theater Company presents our nationally recognized Ensemble Elite group in the 15th anniversary production of the award-winning play, Drift. The performances will be held in the Black Box at 7 p.m. on each night. Tickets are $5 and can be purchased at the door.